Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Tahir Naeem. I am from UET Lahore, Pakistan. And right now I'm going to explain you about the smart classroom, a component of smart classroom, that is the broadcasting and recording machine. So actually this is a hardware equipment, a hardware component of the smart classroom, but right now for recording purpose of the operations of this machine, I have accessed this machine through online. So in my network in my university, I have set the IP of the smart classroom broadcasting machine is 10.11.19.51. so after this I will enter the username and password. So this okay, I think I have changed the IP to 49. So let's again do it. So right now you can see the display is not showing. So let me check the settings. So we have to allow the flash, right? Allow it, then close it and reload it. So now you can see the user interface of recording machine. First of all, the big screen visible in center, this is the screen that is being recorded or broadcasted. So currently we have not started the recording or broadcasting. First of all, let me show you the different cameras. This is camera 1. So this is camera number 2. So this is camera number 3. So we can set the location of these cameras according to our settings, according to our environment in classroom. Right now I have set this camera in the front left corner, this camera in the right front corner, and this camera in the back side for the recording of the instructor or trainer or teacher. And these are the 3 cameras that we can use for recording purpose. And this is the 4th option, the recording of the screen, that is the interactive board we want to record, so we can record it from here. So you can see here there is a layout section, layout group. You can change the grouping of the recorded view into 2 layouts. Different layouts are available, 4 layouts, and like this, just like the layouts you set in the video conferencing. Similarly you can set. So this is the screen that is being recorded. It's up to you that you either you want to record the only one screen in one layout, then after some time this screen, after some time this screen. It's up to you, but you can also change the layouts according to your requirement. Then there is an option of logo. You can set the logo. You can see here we have a logo of KICS UET Lahore. You can set it in the right corner, right top corner, bottom left corner, right bottom corner, or you can hide the logo. It's up to you. You can set the logo. You can enter the logo of your institute or your university. And the third point is the subtitle. You can enable the subtitle. You can hopefully you will be able to see the subtitle in the top left corner. Let me change the location of logo. Now you can see the KICS UET Lahore. You can change the position. Yes, you can change the its size like this, enable, right? Or you can change the color, then enable it. The color will be changed, blue color, whatever color you want. And similarly you can change the position, right? It's 42. Let me change it to 100 and enable it. So position of this logo will be changed. Similarly, let me set it 300 and enable it. so vertical position will also be changed. Let me set it. If you want to put it in the right bottom corner, then I think we can do it by this, and this enable. So this is, you can see, is in the right bottom corner. If you want to do it more, I think we have to add 1500 and enable it. Oh, so it's small, so you can set 1200 and enable it. Okay, you can set the position, its position. You can also change the its size. Okay, so next thing is the title and credit. A title and credit actually is the, what you can say is the video or a picture in start of this recording is your title, and in the end of your recording there is a picture, there is a logo, there is some flyer you want to put. That will be your credit. So let me insert title. So this is your title. You can see this is your title, and similarly if you want to add credit, insert credit. So this will be your credit, because it means when your recording will be ended, at the end of your recording there is this logo and picture for some time. All right, so you can change it, you can add or remove it. So next is the effects. You want, if when you are switching the different cameras, you can add these effects. For example, I will put this. So when I move to the next camera, then it will show this effect, similarly this effect. And if you want to do this, then you can also make this like, all right. So these are the effects. And one more thing, when you access the broadcasting machine from through online, you can set this video. You can write if I click the video to or this button, it turns to red. It means right now although I am displaying this video, but the control of video will be video 2, right? Video recorded is the video 3, but I can change the view of the video, that is video 2, because it is red now, right now, right? You can see I can change the camera. So after you put the right orientation of camera, you can switch to video 2, right? This is another option. Or you can directly change the location orientation of your camera while you are recording. So this is up to you. Similarly, you can change the next view. So there is an option of controlling the camera zoom and pan position. You can also do it fast, or you can also do it slow. It's up to you. If I do it fast, it will do with some more speed. Let me do it on this. So it will do with a little more speed if I put it in fast, right? Okay, so after that there is a option of zooming. You can see I can change the zoom in and zoom out, right? This is the options you can use. All right, so here is another option that you can set the preset location of preset orientation of your camera. What you have to do is you have to set your required orientation, and after putting your camera in selected orientation, you can move this view into the orientation 1. All right, and similarly you can put this into some other orientation, and again put this into orientation 2. So when I click the orientation 1, so it will move to the orientation that I have set. All right, you can also zoom in and zoom out from here. It is quite convenient. And there is a volume settings. When you are recording, you also need the audio voice being recorded while you are recording the lectures. You can change the volume settings from here. Alright, and similarly there are some other options. You can set the loopback option, and also the input sources. You can add 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever number of mics you want. You can set it will be better to select all, so that if there is any mic connected to the system, you can also recording that sound with the video. So calling option is just for the calling to another classroom. If we have another classroom in Pakistan, in another university, or in our current university, UET Lahore, we have 2 smart classrooms. Then to communicate between classrooms, we have this calling option, right? And this is equipment information. I think this is all. So this is interactive director. You can be recording. You can record the video and audio from here. And this is the video management tab. All the recorded videos will be shown here, right? You can easily download it from, this is the download option. If I put this, so video will be downloaded. I can run the video. So in this screen, you can see the recording button. When you will press this button, the recording will start. You can see the recording in started, and this time is running. When you change to other video view or the camera, the recording of that view will start, right? Like this. This is a recording video. Then this is a recording. If you want to record the interactive board, you can also put it this. It is not showing right now because there is some issue. I think you can do it from hardware broadcasting machine, because I am accessing through online. I think that is why there is some issue. So you can use whatever whichever camera you want, like this camera, this camera, this camera. All these will record in your this big screen. When you think that recording is completed, like it is finished, then you can use this button. And if you think that there is some pause, there is some break, you can press this button, and the recording will pause there. And again, you want to record from the current recording video. If you put this again, or put this button, the recording will again start from that point. That is 1 minute and 5 seconds, whatever, where you have stopped. Similarly, if you have completed your recording, you can put this button, press this button, the recording will start, and the video will be saved in your hard disk. So view the video, you can see here. So there is some videos. So let me download this video, and I will run it for you. Okay, show in folder. So if I play this video, you can see the video that I have recorded. Alright, now let me show you how to broadcast the video. This is the broadcasting button. If I click this button, there will be a WeChat QR code, so you can let me do it from WeChat. I will scan this code. Okay, I'm opening my WeChat from my mobile. So now I am going to scan. So I have scanned this code. Then this is running in my WeChat. After scanning this code, I will create a live session